And in no particular order, we're going straight to our list. 8 must-have dips by the Spice in the Spoon, located in the Charleston City Market. Our first dip that we're going to come to is called Charleston Crab. This is our signature blend. It is white cheddar cheese, green peppers, and red peppers. All of our dips are mixed with cream cheese. Directions are right on the back. We use cream cheese, that way you can use it as a dip or as a spread. Next is our Shem Creek shrimp. Directions on the back do call for shrimp. There is no shrimp actually in the packet. The sample again mixed with cream cheese, one of our favorites. Next, you'll find one of our more traditional dips is called Garden. It is your traditional veggie dip. Super delicious, has just a hint of lemon oil in it, so it gives it a nice clean flavor. Next up on our list is Irish Pub. Irish Pub is white cheddar cheese, horseradish, and chives. This dip is good to use as a spread on a roast beef sandwich, topping on a steak. It's absolutely phenomenal if you like horseradish. The City Market. This is our best seller, by far our best seller. Roasted garlic, roasted red bell pepper, and onion. This one is fantastic as a rub. It's a good dip, fantastic spread to use on a burger or bagel. You can use it in recipes just like you would salt and pepper, chicken, pasta. There's tons of dishes that you can use the City Market with. Next up is our dill flavor. It's dill, sea salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. This one's good to mix in with potato salad, egg salad, or just use as a spread on a bagel in the morning. Super delicious. My favorite, Red Hot and Blue. It's got Frank's original hot sauce powder in it, so it's like a blue buffalo wing. The heat on it is about 4 out of 10. It's absolutely delicious. Directions are right on the back, just like all of our packets. And of course, you can go to our Facebook page or website and find recipes for a lot of these spice packets. This is called the Ghost. This is our spicy one. About 7 out of 10. It's made up of 4 different peppers: olakia, habanero, jalapeno, and chipotle. Great as a spread on a burger. You can use it as a dry rub on ribs, chicken, pork. Tons of ways to use it. It's absolutely delicious. The City of Charleston awarded us a local handmade award back in 2012. This is it right here. And of course, we are a certified South Carolina product, which basically means we are who we say we are. This is given to us by the Department of Agriculture in South Carolina. Again, this is our must-have dips. These are our 8 of our best sellers. We've got 18 different blends that we rotate throughout the year. Most of them are seasonal. We have BLT, we have bacon onion in the summertime. We have oyster roast, the Shem Creek shrimp out during the winter months. We hope that you guys will look for us on the web at The Spice in the Spoon. Please like us on Facebook and Instagram. I hope you enjoyed our top 8 list. These are the 8 dips you must have, presented by The Spice in the Spoon.